Chapter 5, Making Phone Calls and Arranging Meetings in Chinese. Chinese language communication with clients and business partners is becoming more typical in today's globally integrated business environment. We'll look at useful techniques in this chapter for setting up meetings and placing calls in Chinese. Making phone calls. Being precise and succinct is crucial while speaking Chinese over the phone. The following words and phrases are crucial to remember. Nin hao, hello, polite. What, sure, I am. Qingwen, may I ask? Dui bu qi, I'm sorry. Mei wen ti, no problem. Xie, thank you. Zai jian, goodbye. Speaking properly and slowly is crucial while making a phone call in Chinese. Slang and regional dialects should be avoided because they could be challenging for the other party to understand. Arranging meetings. Being formal and polite is crucial when setting up meetings in Chinese. The following words and phrases are crucial to remember. Qingwen nin fang bian shen mi shi hou kai hui? May I ask when it is convenient for you to have a meeting? Qingwen nin de ri qing an pai ruha? May I ask about your schedule? Women ke zai shen mi shi jian mian? What time is convenient for us to meet? Di dian zai na li? Where will the meeting take place? Women jiang tao luan shen mi? What will be discussed at the meeting? It's crucial to double-check the specifics of a meeting in Mandarin, such as the time, date, place, and agenda. To be sure there is no misunderstanding, it is also a good idea to send an email or write down a confirmation. Conclusion. In this chapter, we've looked at useful Chinese communication techniques for setting up meetings and phone calls. You may interact with your Chinese business colleagues and clients effectively by utilizing the right words and acting professionally and formally. We'll look at practical Chinese negotiating and presentation techniques in the chapters that follow.